Have you mastered the English pronunciation of these two words? And can you remember what they mean? Let's talk about it together. So the first word we have here is salary. Salary. This is how much money you make at your job. And over here we have celery. Celery. Can you hear the difference in these two words? Salary and celery. Celery is this type of vegetable. I know it can sound really confusing, but when we're confused about pronunciation, look at the vowels and then think about where your mouth needs to be. And also, don't be afraid to be more extreme while you're practicing your pronunciation. We'll talk about that more in just a second. First, let's look at the word salary. Salary. When we make that A sound, our mouth goes really wide. And this is what I mean by don't be afraid to be extreme while you're practicing. So almost imagine that you're screaming, ah, sal. That's the shape your mouth is going to make when you say the word salary. Salary. It's that wide open ah, salary sound versus the word celery. Celery. Do you see that my mouth is much more closed and it's a little bit tighter? Celery versus salary. Salary. Now you might notice just now when I said salary, I didn't say salary. When you're practicing, it can really help to be extreme because it helps you loosen up. It helps you learn where your mouth should be, when your lips touch, where your tongue goes. But as you practice it and as you master it, then you don't have to be so extreme once you've learned it. That's why I am able to say salary, celery. Salary, celery, because I've spent so many years of my life practicing that sound that now my mouth, my tongue, my teeth, my lips, they all know what to do in order to make that sound. So if you're having problems with words like this, don't be afraid to be extreme while you practice. Salary, salary versus celery. Celery, salary, celery. Salary, celery. I hope that helps.